garlic bottle gourd tomato casserole or garlic bottle gourd tomato bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato bowl recipes. We're going to make garlic bottle gourd tomato casserole. We have taken around 150 grams of bottle gourd, cut into pieces, and around 15 to 20 garlic cloves, 15 grams of ginger, 2 to 3 small tomatoes cut into pieces, and 20 to 25 shallots. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Garlic. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic paste. Sauce the garlic paste. Put in the ginger, quarter spoon turmeric powder, and 1 spoon of chili powder. Stir. Put in the bottle gourd piece. For 3 to 4 minutes. Then salt to taste. Salt thoroughly. Tomato pieces. Thoroughly salt. Another 2 to 3 minutes. Casserole. And let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Open. Put in the curry leaves. Stir. And let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now the garlic, bottle gourd, tomato casserole is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic, bottle gourd, tomato casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes. One of the most delicious of the tomato bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.